back to another video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make bomb outfits. I'll be dividing this video into 4 steps, so get your notes out. So step 1, find your signature piece. So when you're starting off making cute outfits, you want to find a signature piece. The signature piece is the most outstanding piece of the outfit, like that oomph inside of the outfit. It's what makes the outfit special. This can range from tops, bottoms, like it can be any part of the outfit. Now step 2 is get a basic thing for the rest of the outfit. The rest of the outfit should be basic, especially if you're starting off. I find it hard to put a whole bunch of signature pieces inside of one outfit. I just feel like it might be doing too much, and I feel like it looks tacky, personally to me. The basics inside of your outfit really depends on your aesthetic that you're going for. So for instance, if you're in the minimalist aesthetic, you're gonna want some black jeans, or if you're in streetwear, you're gonna want some army pants, or a graphic t-shirt. Those are basics. Well, a graphic t-shirt isn't necessarily basic. That would be the signature piece. The jogger pants that goes with the graphic t-shirt, that would be considered a basic. Step 3, accessories. Now this is going to be the longer part, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get through this as fast as I can. Accessories can range from earrings, necklaces, rings, stuff of that nature. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Bracelets, anklets, stuff like that. That's an accessory. So know what type of jewelry you like. So for instance, especially if you're in a certain aesthetic, know what type of jewelry that's most associated with aesthetic. Going back to the streetwear thing, if you're going to wear streetwear, you're going to have to wear chunky necklaces and chunky stuff like that. Well, right now I'm not really wearing anything chunky, but I do have one chunky necklace on, and that's the essential for streetwear. So you can really use Pinterest to find inspiration for the types of jewelry that you want. My Pinterest has a jewelry page. You should go ahead and go up there. The material of the jewelry is also important. Make sure it looks good with the outfit. Like if you have an outfit like gold and silver, that can go with anything. But if you have a specific type of jewelry where it's like it goes with certain things, don't just put it with everything. Make sure it goes and it cohesively goes together. I wouldn't put two, like silver and gold together. The bracelet that I have on right now has silver and gold in it, but you can just know you can do it, but I wouldn't do it if you were in the beginning. Step, layering. Layering your jewelry is very important. It gives your outfit a little bit of oomph, like we said before. For instance, with my outfit that I'm wearing today, I have 3 layers of necklaces. I have a big chunky chain, I have a long necklace, and then I have a short necklace that has a crescent on it. One basic that's essential for your aesthetic, one that's just longer, and then the other one should be smaller. One of my outfits in my outfits in a week, I layered a whole bunch of necklaces together and it still looked nice. So it really depends on the outfit. Speaking of that, putting a whole bunch of necklaces together, do not over accessorize. Like you can't have too many accessories at once. It's too distracting from the eye, and it might distract from the actual outfit instead of complementing it. That is the point of accessory. It's meant to complement the outfit. It's not supposed to consume it. For step 4, remember that your shoes have to match with your outfit, or at least try to make your shoes a complementary color with your outfit. So for instance, with the outfit that I'm wearing now, I have purple. There's purple inside of the graphic t-shirt that I'm wearing, so I'm wearing my purple slides with this outfit. So here's the most important thing out of all of them. This will be an extra tip. Do whatever you want. You do not have to listen to me. I am no way like a god at fashion. Like, do whatever you want with what you want to wear. If you want to go crazy, you can go crazy. The thing about fashion is, even if you're wearing something old or that's not considered fashionable now, fashion recycles, and eventually somebody will be like, wow, you did this before anybody else. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's the end of today's video. Do not forget to follow me on my Pinterest, my Instagram, and my TikTok, and peace!